ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு ஏஆர்கே டேரிஸ். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல மாடிஃபைடு ஆர்டிஆர் அப்பாச்சி 160 பைக்கை பத்தி தான் பார்க்க போறோம். அண்ட் பைக்ல நிறைய மாடிஃபிகேஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கஸ்டமைஸ்டா வந்து ஓனா டிசைன் பண்ணி சென்னையில் முகமது என்ற ரைடர் வந்து அவரே வந்து ரெடி பண்ணியிருக்காரு. ப்ரோ, உங்களை பத்தி சின்ன இன்ட்ரோ. அண்ட் 150cc செக்மெண்ட்ல நிறைய பைக்ஸ் இருக்கு. Why did you choose Apache 160?
Hi bro, first of all to you, and thanks to I came on this channel with you. I had driven earlier FZ 150cc, but in that range only I was looking for another bike which can give me a little boost, and I can modify the bike like that, in that way, because modification is very necessary in our field, because it is like a signature. Whenever anybody sees the bike, it should be like highlighted in the mind, this is Hussein Bhai's bike. That is why I just plan to go for this bike, and little bit of modification I have done, and now Alhamdulillah it is really fantastic. The work has been completed.
ஆக்சுவலாக எனக்கு பைக்கில் வந்து இந்த ரெட் வந்து நல்ல டார்க் கலர்ஸ், பட் இவர் சில்வர் கலர் இந்த காம்பினேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காரு. இந்த காம்பினேஷன் ரொம்பவே பக்காவாக ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆயிருக்கு. அண்ட் பைக் நீங்கள் பார்க்கும்போதே தெரியும், ஒரு ப்ரீமியமாக இருக்குது. அண்ட் அவுட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பெரிய பைக் ஃபீல் இருக்குது. ஸோ அப்பாச்சி 200 பைக் தான் நானே நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். ஸோ 160 ப்ரோ, எந்தெந்த ஸ்பேர் எங்கே வாங்கினீங்க, இல்லை நீங்களே எதெல்லாம் கஸ்டமைஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க, அதோட அப்ராக்ஸான ப்ரைஸிங் என்னன்றதை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறீங்களா?
Bro, I have not purchased anything directly. I have done all modifications. In that first I studied, and one of my friend also helped me to modify this scratch guard in that. And later on, little we have done. So first I will start from the scratch guard, I think. So that because the look and the color I have given, actually maximum people they make the color black or red. But already it is a red bike, so I didn't want to go for a red. And black means it can be dull, it is not a highlighted. So this color, silver color, it looks like a highlighted. So that scratch guard I have done the same color, silver scratch guard plus the saddle stay. So it looks it gives the attraction to the anybody who sees the bike. Wow, it looks like something good. Okay. And this scratch guard I have made, customized it. It cost me around 11,000. And after that I've done for painting. That cost me 2,000 rupees with the clear coating and everything. It is a triple coat color in that. So it cost me around, total with ready, it is 13,000.
Okay. Including
saddle stay, crash guard plus saddle stay, both. And here I have taken this thing little out, so I can place the box also in there. So toolbox or something we can keep, toolbox or little bit of things, small things which we go for a long ride. That time we require the things, so we don't have to open the saddle bag and everything. We can take it from here. So I place the box. Now you can see here the windshield. It is a R15 windshield, which I have it was a transparent color, but I have made it to black color, so it can be highlighted. And the clamps you can see here, the 4 clamps that are not readily available. I have asked one person, a welder, and he has done the work very beautifully. And you can see the bolts also, it is a SS bolts. See, and then we can come to here. This is a mobile holder, which we can place the phone here. We can take the time lapse with video also in running time. And this is the bolt charger. See, you can see the ignition on. When it is connected to the battery, it will show the ignition. If you close here, the ignition goes. And the phone charges very quickly in this, so it is very comfortable for us. And here I can tell you the knuckle guard. This is a KTM Duke's knuckle guard. It is a white in color, but I have done a red color stickering in this, so it can give a perfect match to white and red color. And on this windshield, everybody actually maximum people what they do is they put up a name or something here, name or number. So I have done a unique thing. I have put up my photo in that, and photo with the clear coat, so it cannot be fade or anybody cannot remove it. So this is a little bit of a unique I have done here. This is a number plate with the casing and all. And here I will show you one switch. See, maximum people they use this type of switch, but these are not very comfortable for us. because in while rain time the water can go inside, but this is a waterproof the switch, and whenever ignition, the ring 3 colors will be here. One is for bypass, one is for headlights, and one is for headlight red color rim. So we'll go on to the lights also here. And one more thing, many people they don't put the cover here on the fog lights. So what happens, any police can catch or anything, because it is not allowed to put any additional fog lights. So here I have done this casing here, leather casing. This is the lights. So it looks very beautiful. No scratches also, nobody can damage it also. Very easily with the velcro tape we can fit it. See, it looks little better also. Here also it is a red color mudguard, but I have placed a white color sticker. Here I have done the rim red color stickering, so it looks gives a nice look on that. Here we come towards the seat. Now the seat for the long ride, the company gives us that is not very comfortable, but it is good. But I have done the modification in this seat also. So whenever we are sitting, it is very cushionable. So in long ride also, the comfort level is good. We don't feel stress in that. And after that, here we come to the pillion backrest. Pillion backrest is very must, because whenever we are going wrong, the pillion gets tired. They want to relax or something, so they can relax their backrest over here very comfortably. Okay, now coming towards the saddle bag. This is a Trek and Ride saddle bag, very comfortable, very useful. The space is also very nice, but this is a water resistance. So what happens when in little bit of rain, it is good, but if we are riding into heavy rain, so the water can little bit of come inside. So I have made this thing with the tailor. Okay, this is 100% waterproof. So whenever we are going long, we can keep the clothes inside. This is a velcro tape. This I have made in Motowear. Anwar Bhai has made this, and we can just put the clothes inside. This is a very good material. We can just put a velcro tape after keeping the clothes inside, and we can just place it inside, and we can close it. So no water at all. That is 100% comfortable. I have used it, so I am telling it. Bro, on the tank you can see the shining. It is a PPF coat, like paint protection film, 3M. It is a 3 mm thick also. I have installed on this, so the color cannot get fade, and no scratches also on that. That is why it gives a shiny look in that.
Bro?
That PPF that I put around 1,500 rupees for the tank, and little bit of race edition sticker and year sticker, little bit of stickering. This is 1,500 rupees full tank.
முகமது ப்ரோ, உங்களோட டிராவல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸை பற்றி சொல்லுங்கள். பைக்ஸும் நீங்களும் எவ்வளோ கனெக்ட், நீங்கள் எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் ட்ராவல் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க, அதை பற்றி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்கள்.
Bro, it is like past 6 years I am riding in the bikes. Earlier I was riding the FZ, so totally till now I have done maximum is 3,000 kilometers from Chennai to Bombay. That too in 6 years, 8 times. 8 times I have travelled from Chennai to Bombay and returned. It is around 2,900 to 3,000 kilometers complete. And one time I have travelled 7,000 kilometers. It is from Chennai, Karnataka to Maharashtra, Maharashtra to Gujarat, Gujarat to Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, then Madhya Pradesh, then again Maharashtra, and from there to Chennai. It covers that 7,000 kilometers in 13 days.
Okay, awesome, bro.
And this continues and goes and continues. Every year I used to travel to Chennai to Bombay. One time that is final.
பைக்கோட சிசி முக்கியம் இல்லை, எந்த சிசி பைக்கில் வேணால் நம்ம டூரிங் பண்ணலாம், பைக்கை வந்து மாடிஃபிகேஷன் பண்ணலாம், ரெடி பண்ணலாம் நம்மளுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி. கண்டிப்பாக இந்த அப்பாச்சி 160 4V பைக் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கோன்னு நம்புறேன். நம்ம சேனலில் ஏற்கனவே நிறைய மாடிஃபைடு பைக் வீடியோ போட்டிருக்கேன், அதையும் போய் பாருங்கள். உங்களை நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவான பைக் வீடியோவில் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். Until then, bye from ARK and
Mohammed Hussain.